12 sites that will pay you daily. Work from Home 2023. Hello, and welcome to our channel Income Mastery. Today, we're going to go over the top 12 sites that will pay you daily. Make sure to watch until number 12, because it's one of the best websites that can make you money from home. Number 1. Rev. First up is Reverend if you're a quick typist with an ear for detail. Then Rev is the perfect platform for you to earn money from the comfort of your own home. Not only can you get paid to transcribe audio and video files, but you can also offer captioning and translation services to clients around the world. With over 170,000 freelancers working on the platform and $400 million paid out to date, Rev is a great option for those looking to earn money from home. So why not put your typing skills to the test and join the millions of freelancers who are earning a living on Rev? Number 2. Lionbridge. Are you a language buff, a creative wordsmith, or a social media guru? Then Lionbridge is the company for you. This amazing company offers an array of remote work opportunities, from translation to content creation and even social media evaluation. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a digital nomad, or just someone who craves the flexibility of working from home, Lionbridge has got you covered. Number 3. Skillshare. Are you passionate about teaching and helping others learn new skills? If so, Skillshare might be the perfect platform for you to earn money as a teacher or tutor. Skillshare is an online learning platform that offers thousands of courses on a wide range of topics, including art, design, business, and technology. As a teacher on Skillshare, you can create and publish your own courses and earn money based on the number of students who enroll in your courses. Skillshare pays teachers based on the number of premium students who watch their courses. Premium students are those who have paid for a subscription to Skillshare, which gives them access to all the courses on the platform. Skillshare pays teachers around $10–15 per premium student who watches their course. So even if your course is only watched by 10 to 20 premium students, you could earn anywhere from $150 to $250. Number 4. Pinecone Research. Next on the list in Pinecone Research, it is an online survey platform that rewards you for completing surveys on a wide range of topics, including consumer products and services. The site pays around $3 per survey, with the potential to earn up to $5 if you're selected for a more comprehensive study. Pinecone Research stands out as a survey site that offers daily payouts through PayPal or gift cards, making it easy to access your earnings quickly. By sharing your opinion on various products and services, you can earn money in your spare time and contribute to market research, helping companies make better decisions. Pinecone Research is a reliable and trustworthy platform that provides an opportunity to make money from home at your convenience. Number 5. Clarity.fm. Clarity.fm is a platform that connects experts and entrepreneurs to have one-on-one conversations about specific topics. As an expert on Clarity.fm, you can earn money by offering your knowledge and expertise to individuals who need advice on a particular subject. To get started on Clarity.fm, you'll need to sign up and create a profile highlighting your expertise in a particular field. Once you've created your profile, potential clients will be able to schedule calls with you and pay for your time based on your rate. You can set your own rate, which typically ranges from $1 to $20 per minute. Number 6. ClickWorker. Next up on the list is ClickWorker. It is a platform that allows you to earn money by completing small online tasks such as data entry, web research, and product categorization. To get started, on ClickWorker, you'll need to sign up and complete an assessment test to determine your skill level. Once you're approved, you can start browsing available tasks on the platform and select the ones that match your interests and abilities. The pay for each task varies based on the complexity and time required, but you can earn anywhere from a few cents to several dollars per task. While the pay may not be high, it's a flexible and accessible way to earn money from anywhere with an internet connection. Number 7. Folk. Folk is an amazing website, an app that could earn you extra cash just by sharing your photos and videos. All you need to do is upload your best shots and wait for interested companies to purchase them for use in their marketing materials. And the best part? You get to keep 50% of the profit made from your images. But that's not all. Folk also offers missions, where you'll be given specific tasks to complete, such as taking photos of a certain location or subject. These missions offer another way to earn some extra money while exploring your photography skills. Number 8. Fiverr. If you're someone who's always on the lookout for ways to earn some extra cash on the side, chances are you've probably come across the name Fiverr at least once. Fiverr is a popular freelancing platform that connects freelancers with clients who need their services. It's an excellent platform for people who have unique skills, such as writing, graphic design, or video editing. As a seller on Fiverr, you can create gigs that showcase your skills and set your own prices. What makes Fiverr unique is that it offers a diverse range of services, making it easier for freelancers to find work in their niche. Even if you don't possess specialized skills, there are still several ways to make money on Fiverr. For instance, you can offer basic services such as image cropping, voiceovers, or translations in your native language. Number 9. Creative Market. If you're a creative individual with a knack for designing unique and visually appealing graphics, fonts, templates, or other digital products, then Creative Market is the perfect platform for you to monetize your skills. Creative Market is an online marketplace that allows creatives to sell their digital designs to customers from all over the world. You can create and sell a wide range of designs, including logos, social media graphics, fonts, web templates, and much more. The earning potential on Creative Market is limitless, as you can set your own prices for your products and keep up to 70% of the sale price. The more designs you create and sell, the more money you can make. So if you have a passion for design and want to monetize your skills, Creative Market is an excellent platform to showcase your creativity and start earning money from your designs. Number 10. Upwork. This is another freelancing platform on the list. With Upwork, you can work from anywhere in the world and earn money doing what you love. On Fiverr, freelancers set their own prices for the services they offer, while on Upwork, clients typically set a budget for a project and then negotiate a rate with the freelancer. Additionally, Upwork charges a fee to both freelancers and clients for using the platform, while Fiverr only charges a fee to sellers. So whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting, freelancing platforms can be an excellent way to earn money. Number 11. Stocksy. Stocksy is a platform that allows photographers, videographers, and artists to monetize their creative work by selling their stock photos, illustrations, and videos to customers around the world. To start earning from Stocksy, you need to apply and get accepted as a contributor. Once accepted, you can start uploading your high-quality creative content and set your own prices for the products you offer. The more unique and high-quality your content is, the more likely it is to sell and generate income for you. Stocksy pays its contributors 50% of each sale, which is a significant portion compared to other stock image platforms. In summary, if you're a photographer, videographer, or artist looking to monetize your creative work, Stocksy is a great platform to showcase your talent and start earning money from your content. Number 12. YouTube. Are you an aspiring YouTube creator looking to monetize your content and earn some cash? Well, here's some exciting news for you. Starting in mid-January 2023, YouTube has introduced a new eligibility criteria for the YouTube Partner Program that's bound to get you excited. Now, creators can qualify for YouTube Partner Program by gaining 1,000 subscribers with 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. That's right. You can earn a spot in the coveted YPP by creating amazing short-form content that gets views and engagement. So what are you waiting for? Get creative, make some amazing shorts videos, and start your journey to becoming a YouTube partner. If you want to know more about how to make money on YouTube, check out that video right here, and we'll see you there.